What's going on, everyone? Tyler with Quinn's Property Services. Well, it is currently Friday, December 23rd. It's about 7:30 at night right now, and the first real storm finally hit here in upstate New York, so we're out getting after it, moving some snow. Currently, I'm out doing a couple of our bigger driveways. My dad's got the four-wheeler out, hitting a couple smaller areas, and then my brother-in-law is actually doing me a favor, helping me out, and hitting some of the in-between ones. So we're gonna keep right on with it. Hopefully it won't take long. The snow's kind of a little weird. You know, one place might have 3 or 4 inches, and then you go a couple streets over and they have an inch. So usually we do about a 3-inch minimum for most of our clients unless they request otherwise. But yeah, so let's get back to it, and we'll see you guys on the road. guys, well, it's about 8:30 right now. I'm just getting done hitting a little commercial lot that we just picked up. We honestly just picked up like 3 commercial lots right before the snow hit, but my dad and brother-in-law Kevin are up doing a little sidewalk and driveway. I'm gonna head up there and meet up with them real quick, but yeah, so we're gonna clean up a couple of like the bigger, like major ones that need it done like right now, such as business. We got one that needs it done as soon as we can due to medical reasons and such, but yeah, so we're just gonna hit those ones for now. It doesn't look like the snow's lighting up anytime soon, so we're gonna hit these ones, get these finished up, and then come back out in the morning and clean the rest of our properties up, so stay tuned. Alright guys, well, it's about 20 after 9 right now. I just finished up my last property for the night. Kevin was heading out to do his and started having some issues with the headlights in the other plow truck, so we're gonna head back down to the shop, pull that in, see if we can't figure out what's going on with that. Before we even got to go out, we got the trailer hooked up with the 4-wheeler and everything in it, and didn't have lights on the trailer, and come to find out a couple of the trailer light wires broke, so we had to take a few minutes and rip that all apart and splice the wires back together. But you know, it happens. We're just gotta keep on pushing through it, and we're gonna get it all done, so stay tuned guys, and we'll see you. Well, it is Christmas Eve. It's about 7 in the morning right now. We're back out plowing. The snow finally calmed down a little bit, so now we're out cleaning up the spots that we hit last night, and you know, going through and hitting the spots that we didn't get last night. But yeah, so we're pushing along. I think I got about 4 or 5 spots left. Not sure how many my dad or brother-in-law have, but yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, well, just finishing up this driveway here. I think I got maybe one more to do. Gonna check in and see how the other guys are making out, and then stop and grab some breakfast. So see you guys shortly. Alright guys, well that's gonna wrap up our first snow plowing video. We hope you guys truly enjoyed it. We didn't get too much footage, but I feel like we got just enough for our first video. You know, it's a little different when you get the cameras on you, rather than just going out and plowing. You gotta worry about what you're filming, the angles, whatnot, so it took a little getting used to, but I'm sure our next and future videos will be a lot better, have a little more into them. But yeah, so I'm just finishing doing some invoices for the month of December, and hoping that we get some more snow upcoming. Picked up a couple more contracts, so hopefully the videos just keep getting bigger and better. But till then, see you guys and happy holidays.